Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve an exponential equation. Solve for x. Let's try to do this challenging questions. 3 power x plus 2 and plus 3 raised to the power x equals 10 by 81. We need to solve for x. Now we already know our property, product rule, a power m times a power n equals a power m plus n. This is called product rule. Whenever you you multiply the exponents with same basis, you need to add the exponents. That's it. Or I can write the other way around also. A power m plus n can be written as a power m times a power n. Now I am going to use this here for the first term. 3 for x plus 2, which can be written as 3 to the power x times 3 power 2 using the property. And let me write the other terms as it is. Now let's simplify this. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x equals 10 over 81. Now, if there is no coefficient, it means 1. So 9 3 power x plus 1 3 power x. There is another algebraic expression in which if you have something like this, same variable, different coefficients, 5x plus 3x, which is equal to 8x. Same like adding numbers, 5 plus 3, 8. Same manner, if we are adding the two expressions, monomials, same variable but different coefficient, we will just add like this, 8x. Because in other words, if you take x as common factor, 5 plus 3, that is how it is 8x. Same manner, I can do here as well. 9 3 power x plus 1 3 power x equals 9 plus 1 10. 10 3 raised to the power x equals 10 over 81. I hope it is clear so far. Now let me use the right side to continue, and I should use the bracket here. 10 times. If you want, you can write the dot here. 9 times 3 power x plus 1 times. That is why I am using a dot. Now, right side, I am going to rewrite 81 with base 3 because I know that 3 power 4 is 81. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So, 10 3 power x equals 10 over 3 power 4. Now what I am going to do, I am going to bring this to the numerator using negative exponent property. Whenever I bring, if a power negative m, if I want to make it to positive exponent, I need to just bring it to the denominator, isn't it? Reciprocating or writing upside down. The other way also possible. If it is 1 over a power m, if you want to bring it to the numerator, make it negative exponent. That's it. I'm going to apply the same thing here. 10 3 power 4 will become 3 power negative 4 because I am bringing it to numerator. That is why applying the negative exponent property, 4 becomes negative 4. Now I can cancel out the tens as it is common, or in other words, when you divide both sides by 10, tens getting cancelled. Now we left with only 3 raised to the power x, 3 raised to the power 4. Now we know another property. Whenever the bases are same, we can equate the exponents. Here, if a raised to the power m equals a raised to the power n, I can write m equal to n. If a power m equals a power n, then this is possible. I can equate the exponents. M equals n. Same manner, equating the exponents will give you x equal to negative. So this is the answer for the given exponential equations. So these are the properties we have used. I'll use a different color. And these are the steps. Fine. Now it is possible to check whether our answer is correct. X equal to negative 4. Let's do the checking part. The other board. What was the given question? 3 power x plus 2 plus 3 power x equals 10 over 81. Now let's do the checking. What should we do? Whatever answer we got for x, we will just plug in and see whether left hand side equal to right hand side. That means our answer is correct. Now let me plug in, replace x with negative 4 on the left side of the given exponential equation, which will become negative 4 plus 2 plus 3 power negative 4. And I am going to write the box till it is proved 10 over 81. Now 3 power negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Because whenever two different signs, we take away the smaller one from the bigger and keep the sign of the bigger number. That's what I did here. Integer properties. Now 3 power negative 4. Box till it is proved. Now I am going to bring it to the bottom to make it positive exponents. Simply applying the negative exponent property, we will reciprocate it. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Because there is a 1 here, there is a 1 here too. That is how it became 1 over 3 square. Same manner, this one is 1 over 3 power 4. Now 1 over 3 squared is 9, and we already know that 3 power 4 81. So we know how to add two fractions with different denominators. We will try to make both of them same denominator by doing some multiplication or division. In this case, multiplying the first fraction will give you 81, same denominator. So 1 over 9 can also be written as 9 over 81, because 1 nines are 9, 9 nines are 81, 1 over 81. Now we made the denominator same. It's easy for us to add up the top numbers alone, because that is the method to add two fractions with same denominator. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 over 81. Equals. I am using equals now because it is equal to the other side. Hence proved. Hence our answer is correct. So this is how all the algebraic equations, if you want to check your final answer, just to plug in the answer what you are getting into the given equation and see whether left hand side equal to right hand side. So in our case, we proved it. Both the sides are same, 10 over 81. So children, I hope you understood this exponential equation. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe our channel to learn more about such challenging questions. See you next time. Thank you.